Did you know that nearly 98% of your DNA doesn't code for proteins, yet it controls the fate of every gene in your body? This mysterious territory is often called the dark matter of human DNA, unknown and misunderstood for decades. But everything changed when DeepMind, led by Nobel laureate Demis Hassabis, unveiled AlphaGenome. AlphaGenome is making headlines as a breakthrough AI system that decodes the most mysterious regions of our genome. For years, scientists focused only on the 2% of DNA that makes proteins. AlphaGenome dives into the other 98%. It turns out this so-called junk DNA is actually a complex regulatory operating system for life. AlphaGenome can process DNA sequences up to 1 million letters at once, an unprecedented leap in scale. It predicts thousands of molecular properties that regulate gene activity, from RNA levels to protein binding sites. AlphaGenome even tracks what happens when DNA mutates and how these changes affect gene regulation. Trained on massive datasets from leading genomics projects, AlphaGenome's predictions are highly reliable. This achievement is a dimension-level leap, like AlphaFold, which solved protein folding, but for the entire genome. In cancer research, scientists struggled to distinguish driver mutations, those that cause disease, from harmless passenger mutations. AlphaGenome can now identify which mutations disrupt gene control in specific cell types, making it easier to spot cancer's true culprits. Early trials show AlphaGenome accurately predicts non-coding mutations linked to leukemia. Its predictions match years of experimental data, confirming its revolutionary potential. So what does this mean for medicine? Soon, health screenings could analyze future risk, not just current disease. Mutations linked to Alzheimer's, autoimmune disorders, mental health, and cancer could be flagged before symptoms appear. Gene therapies can be designed to control exactly when and where genes switch on, advancing true precision medicine. This is the foundation for a future where medicine is proactive and individualized. Behind this transformation is Demis Hassabis, child chess master, game designer, neuroscientist, and founder of DeepMind. Hassabis began thinking about intelligence at age 8, became an international chess master as a teen, and later led groundbreaking AI projects. His multi-decade investigation into intelligence led to AlphaGo, AlphaFold, and now AlphaGenome. What can we learn from AlphaGenome's breakthrough? First, cultivate long-term intellectual pursuits. Help children notice their curiosity, protect deep interests, and explore beyond the surface. Second, encourage cross-disciplinary projects. Combine AI with biology, robotics with design, coding with art. Examples include hackathons, science fairs, and creative team challenges. Third, teach children to use AI as a partner, not a threat. As Jensen Huang says, you won't lose your job to AI, you'll lose it to someone who uses AI. Kids should learn how to ask good questions, evaluate AI reasoning, and use AI tools to accelerate learning. AlphaGenome's discoveries force us to rethink not only biology, but also how we educate. Good education is not just filling a bucket, it's lighting a fire of curiosity. A spark of curiosity at age 8 can fuel breakthroughs at 48. Curiosity, collaboration, and the courage to ask big questions are the building blocks of discovery. The next revolution in science, medicine, and life begins with the questions we dare to ask today. AlphaGenome shows us that the mysteries of our DNA are finally within reach. With AI as our partner, we're entering a new era of understanding, health, and innovation. The story of AlphaGenome is just beginning. and so is yours.